Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today our topic is its. Its is a possessive determiner. We used to say that something belongs to or refers to something. So first of all, look at the first picture. It is an elephant. Now read the sentence with me. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Its trunk is long. Its trunk is long. ये एक हाथी है. इसकी सूंड लंबी है. Here is another picture. This is a box. Read the sentence with me. This is a box. This is a box. Its color is white. Its color is white. ये एक डब्बा है. इसका रंग सफेद है. Here is the picture of tree. Read the sentence with me. This is a big tree. This is a big tree. Its leaves are green. ये एक बड़ा दरख्त है. इसके पत्ते सब्ज हैं. Last picture is here. It is a dog. Read the sentence with me. This is a white dog. Its tail is short. ये एक सफ़ेद कुत्ता है. इसकी दुम छोटी है. ये एक सफ़ेद कुत्ता है. इसकी दुम छोटी है. Okay dear students, it's our today lesson. Hopefully you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.